So track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now, this video is all about Briana Williams' situation. Briana Williams is in this kind of situation where she does not know what is really going to happen to her. I am talking about Briana Williams' future. I'm talking about Briana Williams in Paris Olympic 2024. Briana Williams, if we want to tell each other the truth, Briana Williams does not even stand a chance to make the 100 and 200-meter individual. It will take the work of God, grace, for Briana Williams to come out and successfully qualify for 100 and 200 individual. Fine. I will agree if you said she's going to make the 4 by 100 meter team. But let's talk about the 100 and 200. And please, I want you guys to be honest with yourself. Do you think or do you believe she stands a chance? Now, the reason why I said all these things is because I have my evidence. Now, imagine we have Ellen, and she is proving to be coming back stronger. The fact that she is looking for a coach that will bring her back to form. This is sending a strong message that she is ready to defend her title in Paris Olympic. We also have Shelley, who wants to end her career with probably a world record, destroying the Flojo world record and doing wonders. Shelley is not ready to give anybody space, and you all know what I'm saying. So come to think of it, I haven't even mentioned Shericka Jackson, who is a powerhouse in both the 200 and 100 meters. Fine, I do believe if God is with her, the grace of God is with her, she will do anything she wants to do. But let's be truth and honest to ourselves, she doesn't stand much chance of qualifying.